Figured I'd show y'all my Milwaukee pack out tray right here. I've got a Craftsman pry bar I've had for years when I was a diesel mechanic. These key fit rotor adjustment tools. Kind of just go in there. Milwaukee channel locks. Go to the next one. We'll go there. Kind of sit in that next one right there. These are our spray head hold up tools, so we can replace nozzles easily, and then some Rainbird adjustment pliers. Ready for a day of system audits, head adjustments, nozzle replacements, head replacements, all ready to go. And then if I'm having to adjust, or not adjust, but put together some valves using the Schedule 80s, various fittings, threaded fittings, I've got me some channel locks right there that are easy to grab.